Hello everyone, welcome back to the As for Shamsi Tech YouTube channel. If you are feeling chilly and wondering how to turn on the heating function using your AC remote, you are in the right place. In today's video, I will walk you through the correct AC remote setting to keep your room warm and cozy. Let's get started. First thing first, yes, many air conditioners can also heat. If your AC is an inverter or a split type reverse cycle unit, it likely has a heating mode built in. Instead of just cooling, it works like a heat pump to warm your room. Here's how to activate the heating mode on your AC remote. Press the mode button until you see symbol that look like a sun. This is usually the heat mode. Set the temperature to something comfortable. I recommend it starting around 24 to 26 degrees centigrade. Choose your fan speed, low, medium or auto. Auto is a good choice for consistent heating. Wait, it might take 2 to 5 minutes for warm air to start blowing. That's completely normal. The system needs time to reverse the cycle. And that's it. Your AC is not just for summer, it can keep you warm in winter too. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more home tech tips and drop a comment if you have any question.